Then you get in this fucking piece of shit. Says you're in here. Fucking goes black. So okay, I'll get out and lock it, right? No, it fucking lights back up because it's a fucking piece of shit. Even if you fucking manually shut the fucking lights off, it won't fucking shut off. Dude, this thing is a fucking junk. Get out. Watch. Lock. Oh shit, we might be in luck this time. Maybe. No, there it goes, lighting up. Well, you know, lights are staying on. Oh, even the headlights are staying on this time. Wow. This thing's a real fucking piece of shit.